Induction cooking uses a high-frequency induction coil below the cooktop's smooth surface that heats the cookware by creating a magnetic field between the coil and the cookware. Induction is not only fast and precise, it reduces wasted heat and stays cool to the touch. You can tell if your cookware is induction-friendly if a magnet strongly sticks to the bottom. However, sometimes the amount of steel at the bottom may not be sufficient to guarantee optimum performance. We recommend pattern-free bottoms made of ferrous material. To improve the efficiency of your induction cooktop, use pans with flat bottoms that are sized within the recommended ranges and properly aligned to the graphics on the cooktop glass. Use a flat ruler and measure the bottom of the cookware. If the cookware has a design, measure from edge to edge of the design and not the cookware itself. Center the cookware within the graphics when possible. For more information and videos about how induction works, the type of cookware to use, and more, visit our induction cooking page.